A freelance writer was charging $3,000 a month for content. Then one AI tool made her entire skill completely replaceable, and she used that same tool to make more money than before. I'm going to show you exactly what she did and how you can copy it today for free. Freelancing is dying. Fiverr is flooded. Upwork is a race to the bottom. Everyone is competing for the same $5 gigs. But here's what nobody tells you. The people who saw this coming didn't panic. They pivoted. They used the same AI that was replacing them and turned it into their biggest income source. The tool is called Pictory AI. Here's what it does. You paste in any text, any blog post, any script, and it automatically creates a fully edited video, footage, captions, music, everything in minutes. Content agencies right now are paying between $500 and $1,500 per month for someone to manage their video production. With Pictory, one person can handle 5 clients easily. That's $2,500 to $7,500 per month. Working from anywhere, no camera, no microphone, no editing skills. Here's exactly how it works. Step 1, a client gives you their blog post or script. Step 2, you paste it into Pictory. The AI finds relevant footage, adds captions, and builds the video automatically. Step 3, you do minor edits, export, and deliver. The whole process takes 20 to 30 minutes per video. Clients pay $200 to $500 per video. Do 2 videos per day. That's $400 to $1,000 daily. And you can find these clients right now on LinkedIn. Just search for companies that have blogs but no YouTube channel. That's your target. Finding clients is simpler than you think. Go to LinkedIn, search, quote, content manager or blog manager. Filter by company size, 10 to 50 employees. These are small businesses that create content but can't afford a full video team. Send them this exact message. Hi, I help businesses turn their blog posts into YouTube videos automatically using AI. I can send you a free sample video made from your existing content. Interested? That's it. No selling, no pressure, just a free sample. 3 out of 10 companies will say yes. Now, Pictory AI has a free trial. Start today. Make 1 sample video using your own blog post or any article online. Use that as your portfolio. Then go to LinkedIn and send 10 messages this week. That's all it takes to start. If this opened your eyes to something new, subscribe right now. Next week, I'm showing you an AI method that requires 0 clients, 0 outreach, and pays you passively every single month. You don't want to miss that one. See you next week.